Well, I'm in scientific labs and proving grounds working on aerodynamics. So I think aerodynamics and getting the fuel efficiency, getting best-in-class fuel efficiency will be a great help towards weaning America off of the oil.
As a member of the Chrysler team, my role is to ensure that we excel in the competition for automotive quality and to insist on continuous improvement far and beyond our competition.
I just accomplished a first for Chrysler. I've actually created the very first best-in-class pickup truck aerodynamics. And I'm very proud of that for Chrysler, that we've done it here. We have beat out every truck automotive company out there worldwide. So we now have the best-in-class aerodynamics for the 2009 Ram truck. Now recently, less than a month ago, I just moved to fuel economy strategy, and I want to do just as much that big success there as well.
As a team member of Chrysler, bringing the company back, work closely with the suppliers and the trucking companies to work to streamline a lot of the processes and make us more cost competitive.
Well, one thing that I'm involved with is the returnable containers. That's where we're trying to not use cardboard. It's a green thing where that way if you're using more and more returnable containers and not using the cardboard, you're not filling landfills with cardboard and scrap. You're using a renewable source, and that way we can save a lot of money, and we have been doing it, and we're going to continue to do that because every time that somebody uses a returnable container for the parts, we're saving that much in trees, landfills, and waste. So as we carry on and continue to do more, that's one thing that we can do to make Chrysler a stronger company.
And now that Cerberus has taken over, I've seen a lot of changes that come into place. They've brought in some new top guys in the automotive industry, executives. They've brought in a veteran CEO. I really gained a lot of confidence in what they're trying to do since I've seen that. And they've taken a lot of actions. They've been decisive. They've eliminated some products. They've downsized the company. I mean, I have a lot of confidence in our management, and my job is just to execute their plan.
Being in sales, I support dealers. I support their customers. So it's going to be my attempt to work as hard and as efficient as I possibly can to make sure we deliver superior vehicles, a superior experience at the dealerships.
My personal role right now is to keep working hard, is to do my best every day. I'll be improving services, I'll be looking for savings, I'll be following my leadership to keep this company working and doing the best every day.
I feel it's my role, working with the company, working with my coworkers and my UAW counterparts, to focus on quality, safety, customer satisfaction, and technical innovations that will lead our products into tomorrow.
As a supplier quality engineer, I get an opportunity to visit many suppliers. I go to their facilities, look at what they have to do, and actually work with the suppliers. So my idea is to go in there and actually help those suppliers lean manufacturing, building a better product, so that when we get those parts, we can build better cars for America.
My role in bringing Chrysler back, I brought a little visual for you today. This sits at my desk. I look at it every day. It's an old advertisement, and it's basically this word up here in the corner, and the word is value. Every day when you come in as a product release engineer, you need to be focusing on what you can do for the customer. Is what I'm doing offering value to the customer? If you can answer that question positively, then you're doing the right thing.
My role is to make that technology transparent. Really, if we've done our job well, all of that technology, everything that goes into these networks that are in the cars will be totally transparent to the consumer. We have to test, we have to microanalyze everything that goes into those cars. And that's what we do, and that's what we enjoy doing, and we're world class at it, and we want to continue.
I think my role would be to continue to design, develop, and produce quality vehicles that consumers would want to buy.
Well, as a manufacturing planning specialist, my goal is to see that we get the most value out of our manufacturing facilities. I work to ensure that every process that we have on the manufacturing floor gives the most value add to the company as possible.
In the year 2000, it cost $10 million to make one door, to assemble one door in a welding systems. As a department, which I'm part of, we decided to evaluate the way we manufacture a door. And we developed a new system that developed doors in our assemblies plants, and that system cost $5.1 million. Not only was that system capable of doing one door, it was a flexible system capable of doing 4 doors.
I am an engineering manager, and I feel that a big part of my role is, as we develop the new product plan, is to gather my new team and help to inspire them to create designs that are both elegant, cost-effective, while always focusing on the customer. I think we can't lose sight of that. We have to absolutely keep the customer in the back of our minds in everything that we do. And at this point in time, I will work my butt off, and I see it right now, failure is just not an option. We have to accomplish our tasks.
As I mentioned, I'm part of the IT team, people who are strong believers in the fact that innovative computer technologies are direct contributors to a company's profitability and competitiveness. And to be more specific, I'm part of an effort in the IT department to implement innovative computer technologies to reduce the development life cycle for automotive products, cars in our case, to eliminate manual input, to eliminate system overlaps, which are direct contributors, as I said, to implementation of new, exciting technologies and products that customers want at a lower cost, but with an improved quality.
As a member of the Powertrain Engineering Group here at Chrysler, we're involved at the heart of the matter, the device that transfers energy to motion. And I think I can tell everyone that we are working diligently at developing alternative sources and improving the fuel efficiency of our products.
We've been very fortunate over the past year that this company's changed in tremendous ways. And not everybody gets to see those changes. But now it's our opportunity to move forward. With a smaller group, we've got to find new ways to do business and new ways to bring value to our customers so they'll see the reason to buy our cars and trucks.
What I would plan to do to help Chrysler along is to increase awareness of this issue, to let every American contact their members of Congress and say, yes, we want to play on a level playing field, but as long as foreign governments subsidize their currencies and make their currencies weaker to make their products less expensive, it's an uphill battle that we cannot win.
My role is going plant to plant and actually engaging our team members and team leaders, our production teams on the floor, in producing a higher quality product at lower cost, faster, and with less resources overall. And if you look at the plants, especially our most recent launches, they are our best plants in the company. And what we're asking for is an investment in time, just the ability to get our production teams up and running and capable of producing a world-class product at a world-class cost.